Welcome to Tanfield Railway, the world's oldest railway. With picturesque scenery, lovingly restored locomotives, Victorian carriages and an air of years gone by, Tanfield Railway offers a great day out for all of the family. Our comfortable cafe at Andrew's House is in the peaceful surroundings of a typical countryside station. Tanfield Railway is the world's oldest railway, dating back to 1725, giving us an unrivaled history which simply oozes from the entire site. Causey Arch Station is ideally located to visit the world-famous arch, the oldest railway bridge in the world, as well as a series of walks in the secluded valley surrounded by industrial heritage. No railway enthusiast can truly lay claim to that title unless they have paid a visit to the line which laid the foundations for the modern railway network. At Morley Hill, you will find Europe's oldest working engine shed. Visitors can soak up the atmosphere of a genuine working shed and see the latest progress on overhauls and restorations carried out by our volunteers.